for Sharon Holt Tokuinga. I'm just showing you the words on this menu at the bilingual cafe that I'm at the district, and they encourage people to use Te Reo Māori to order their kawhi or their tea, and I ordered this one down here, tea hioi, mint tea. Here's my tea hioi. This is my kapu tea hioi, and in the background is my ipu tea, my teapot. So if you want to order, you can say kawhi ko, a coffee please. And there's lots of other words there that you can have a look at. Lots of information there about pronunciation. And some words for special coffees like latte, cappuccino, mocha, the same, americano, tiakarete wera, hot chocolate. Interesting. Fabulous place, very encouraged. I'll be back.